Happy National Ceiling Fan Day. I'm Sarah and I'm going to show you the fans in my house. That's it, a property. First off, we have a 52-inch Hampton Bay Princeton in white and brass. This fan is an older I think it's the late 90s version, but it's the 5 light one. That's a little more than 8, but I think it's like 97, I believe, but that's cool. This fan, I know what year it was from. It's from March of 97. Oh, and I also like to keep it on low. It's not the best fan, but it's worth it. Alright, so we got the Harbor Breeze Sausalito, which is installed in my girlfriend's bedroom, and yeah, it does work, but I do like to keep it on low, and it's from like 1999. I've got to tell you it's from September of 1999, and I'm gonna show on low. So next fan, I think is the Craftmate Decorative. Nothing's really changed about it. However, the SNC Emperor, I flipped the blades on. I don't have the cane side of those blades showing down. I've got to tell you that the Craftmate Decorative is from 1994. The Emperor is from September of 1989, while the Decorative is from February of 1994. What we have here is a Harbor Breeze Trachos. It's from June of 2007. Now we got a Hunter Adirondack ceiling fan. This one is from, this fan is from December of 2006. So it is an older 3-speed Hunter Adirondack, but I am going to show just one of the speeds. Now we have, what we have next after the Adirondack is the Hampton Bay Maplewood. This fan is one that I think I've had most of the childhood when I've been to this house. That's dated December of 2001. Next up, we got the Hampton Bay Northbrook 3 from March of 2006. Then we got the Hampton Bay Huntington 3 in Red Verde finish. That one is from November 2001. I have another Huntington 3 in H Gold, but this one is from May of 2004. Up next we have is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus in steel finish from February of 2001. And last but not least, we have is an Encom Monarch ceiling fan from August of 1990. Thanks for watching.